Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the practice set question or exercise question from chapter Simple Equation. Already we discussed such a type of question yesterday. Now we will discuss some more example based on simple equation. Today's first question: 4 is equal to 5 in bracket p minus 2 bracket close. Now we have to solve this equation. Means we have to find out the value of variable p. How we can find the value of p? Then just write down the question as it is. Now you observe that this 5 is multiplied with this whole part. Okay, yesterday we are discussed that here 5 is multiplied and we have to divide the 5 on the both side of equation and we can solve. But here if we divide 5 to the 4, sorry 4 to 5 to the 4, then it is answer is in fraction. That is why we are not using that procedure to solve such a type of example. We are using different method to solve such a type of example. For that purpose I am doing like this. I am writing 4 as it is. Now this 5 is multiplied to the whole number which are present inside the bracket. Now 5 multiplied by p, then answer is 5p. 5 into p, 5p, then minus sign, and this 5 multiplied by 2, then 5 2s are 10. Then I am writing this number. Now everyone observe that this 3 I want to remove. Means every time everyone know that we have to find out the value of a variable, then we have to remove the unwanted material or unwanted part which are present on the any side, and here we don't require that minus 10. Then if you want to remove this minus 10, just add the minus 10 in the RHS. If we are adding this number minus 10 means adding 10 on the RHS, same number we have to add into the LHS also. Now adding the 10 on the both side of the equation. Now 4 plus 10 means we are adding 10 on this side as well as is equal to 5p minus 10 plus we are adding 10. Now this minus 10 and plus 10 get cancelled to each other. Now 4 plus 10 14 is equal to 5p. Here 5 is multiplied with p. Now if you want to find out the value of p, then we have to remove this 5, and for that purpose this is multiplied here. Now divide by 5 on both side of equation. Now I am dividing 5 on the both side of equation. Now 5, if I am dividing 14 divided by 5 is equal to 5p divided by p. 5 get cancelled and 14 divided by 5. Now write the as it is. What is the value here remaining? P is equal to 14 upon 5. I hope you understand this part. Like same part we have to solve, or same example we have to solve. Now observe this example. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 in bracket t plus 2. If you observe in second side 4 is added. Now first we have to subtract this 4 from the both side. Means first we have to remove this 4 from the both side. Now we have to subtract 4 from the both side. If I subtract the 4 from the both side, 16 minus 4 is equal to 4 plus means equation as it is minus 4. This plus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled to each other. Then remaining part we have to write 16 minus 4 is equal to 12 is equal to this part is removed. Then remaining part is 3 in bracket t plus 2. Now we have to solve this part. Means we have to solve the bracket, and everyone know that this 3 is multiplied by each and every number which are present inside the bracket. Now write the 12 as it is equal to 3 t's are means 3 multiplied by t, 3t plus 2 3's are 6. Now here this 6 is extra part we have to remove from the both side. Now for that purpose we have to subtract the 6 from the both side of the equation. Now I am subtracting 12 minus 6 I'm subtracting 6 on from the both side of the equation is equal to, I'm writing 3 plus 6 minus 6, means here we are subtracting, here also we are subtracting. This 6 plus minus 6 and plus 6 get cancelled to each other, remaining part 3t, and here 6 is remain. 12 minus 6, 6. Now here 3 is present with a t, and we have to remove this 3, and everyone know that 3 multiplied with a t. Now we have to remove this 3. For that purpose we have to divide the number, divide this 3t by 3, then 3 will be removed. Then we have to divide both side by 3. Now dividing 3 on both side of the equation, I am writing 6 divided by 3 is equal to, here 3t divided by 3. Now this 3 get cancelled, here only t is remaining, I am writing here, is equal to 3 2s are 6, 2, means what is the value of t? T is equal to 2. I hope you understand. Now same type of question. First, 4 plus p in bracket, 4 plus 5 in bracket p minus 1 is equal to 34. Now everyone know that here 4 is extra part, we have to remove this part. Now for that purpose, writing the equation same as it is. Now I want to remove this 4. If you want to remove the 4 carries plus sign, then subtract the 4 from the both side, then subtract the 4 from the both side of the equation. Now writing the equation, 4 plus 5 in bracket p minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 34 minus 4, means subtracting this minus 4 and this minus 4 from the both side of the equation. Now this plus 4 and this minus 4 get cancelled to each other, remaining part 5 in bracket p minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 4, 30. I hope you understand. Now this p is multiplied with this bracket, whole bracket. Now means this p is multiplied to each and every number which are present inside the bracket. Now 5 multiplied by p, 5p, then minus 5 ones are 5 is equal to 33. Now this minus 5 is present here. Now I want to remove that minus 5. If I am adding the 5 in this part, then 5 will be, that minus 5 will be removed. If I am adding the 5 in this side, also we have to add the 5 into other side, means add the 5 on both side of a equation. Now write the equation, 5p minus 5 plus 5, means we are adding 5, is equal to 30. We are adding 5, then add 5. Now this minus 5 and 5 get cancelled, 5p is remaining, 5p is equal to 30 plus 5, 35. Now this 5 with p means there is a multiplication. If we want to remove this 5, then we have to divide the 5 on this side, and if you are dividing 5 on this side, we have to divide the other side also. Then divide 5 on both sides of the equation. 5p divided by 5 is equal to 35 divided by 5. 5 get cancelled, remaining part is p right here. Then 5 7s are 35, then p is equal to 7. P is equal to 7 is your final answer. I hope you understand that part. If you are getting problem regarding this, you just call me back. Have a nice day.